Hello everyone and welcome to my final Morning Report chart appraisal with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets on Friday the 14th of July. Let's look at gold. We've had this sort of rally on gold throughout the front end of this week, which is seemingly rolling over yesterday with that sort of negative candle closing not far from the low of the day. Momentum indicators still suggest, I think, rallies are a chance to sell. Negatively configured, you've got that downtrend intact. Interesting that that downtrend now sort of is tracking below all the resistance, and 24 figure really on the downtrend, 25.60 on this week's rally high, 29.10 on last week's sort of rebound high. And this is all the resistance that sort of comes in and sort of adds to the overhead pressure, I think, considering that that downtrend continues on gold. Now that old support comes back in again. 1214 was a reaction low that we had the other day, basically around that old low, isn't it? 1213.80, and it's sort of again been a little bit tested today as the market sort of rolled over. If we get another lower high, I think below 24.40, sort of you'd start to see that trend of lower highs forming. Momentum indicators a little bit sort of consolidating really. I think, and this is going to be probably likely to remain the case in front of that US inflation data, but I would still be sort of expecting. Ultimately, I think gold is going to be moving to the downside. A lack of inflation doesn't help gold, despite the fact that it also doesn't necessarily help the dollar, but it doesn't. It's not a good argument for buying gold. So, I think that generally speaking, gold is going to be under pressure still on a continuing basis, probably back sort of towards that $1,200 area. So yeah, I'd be sort of looking to still sell into strength on gold. And with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. I'll speak to you again next week. Thank you.